Absolutely. And where did we go today?
Yes, today we went shopping down in our favorite little town here, Giari, and actually Riposto. It's right on the sea, on the Mediterranean.
Went to the fish market?
We went
and
to the
veggie
fish
market. Yes,
we went to the fish market and the vegetable market, and this was our haulings. We bought these 4 fish here. And sardines, fresh, of course they're fresh. And he cleaned the fish and he threw in these Scampis. And
he said, "Try these," right? He threw them.
Yes, he threw these in for free.
Yeah.
And the sardines, he cleaned them for us, like opened them up, cleaned them, took the heads off, and they're ready for dinner tonight. And then we got olives, dates.
Oh, yeah.
Cherry tomatoes, and all this fruit, all this vegetables, basil,
fresh vegetables,
lettuces, cauliflower, garlic, parsley.
Look at that zucchini, isn't that amazing?
And these are the baby zucchini with the flowers on them.
Right.
They're right in season right now, and a few strawberries. And if you turn around back here to the sink, we have some fennel leaves, lots of fennel, and some huge lemons. These are really good in a lemon salad, believe it or not. Avocados, mushrooms.
Oh,
look at these mushrooms.
Amazing.
Huge, but really good.
Then we got some dry stuff.
These are dried fava beans. Just soak them overnight.
And what's the caliente?
And these are the white beans.
Right.
And
I'm cooking.
yes, you're cooking. Orazio.
Yeah, Orazio is cooking. We put the olive oil, the garlic, the parsley, and we'll let it brown.
Okay.
Loredana sta lavando il pesce.
Loredana is washing the fish.
Okay.
Yes, you see that? And she's got this. She took the scissors. See what she did with this? She took these.
Yeah.
And she cut them like this. A good
Okay, and here we are.
tomato
We've
sauce.
got a tomato sauce.
The tomatoes are going to go in there,
Okay.
I think.
You're cutting up the tomatoes.
Yeah, and you cut them into slices of 4.
Ho bisogno del peperoncino.
See that, Johnny?
Yeah. Put the
I'll cut some more.
Cook some more.
We have to prepare the marinade.
Yes, we're going to do those. Yes.
Ooh, that looks good.
That's very simple.
Yes, that's good.
Like some marinade. You have lemons?
Yes. Yes, yes. Loredana just put the olive oil. No garlic. Nothing.
Nothing.
Just salt.
Okay.
Pepper.
Pepper, black pepper.
Wait.
You can do them the same way. Somehow.
No egg.
No.
Just simple, like this.
Simple.
This
Okay,
is
no problem. So just put in.
Bravo.
First like
Perfetto.
this.
Bravissimo.
Then like this.
Ok, bravissimo. Perfetto. Ora.
Oh, now salt.
Sì,
Good.
ora.
Keep it.
Salt,
Salt.
Pepper.
pepper.
Very simple. Oh.
Okay.
Questa.
Just salt, pepper, and flour.
Just salt. Just flour for now.
Fanno diventare molli però. Allora. Prezzemolo. Lemon.
More lemon?
Sì.
Un po' di sale.
Perfetto,
Un po' di sale si è messo in questi marinati?
Lui, io.
That's the broth. That's the broth.
I capi ce li hai messi?
Sì.
Very good.
Ho messo tutta.
Perfuma.
Sì. Perfetto.
These are plain without
The difference.
oh, amazing.
Perfetto, eh?
Oh, more than perfect. Oh. Put with the sauce together in a plate or no?
Assaggia. Intanto assaggia il sughetto. Vedi com'è.
That's like a.
Oh,
Good?
very, very good. This has a vinegar taste to it, John. You want to try?
Già, assaggia.
Oh.
Good? Very good?
Wow.
Okay.
Very good.
Incredible.
See, there's a little bit of capers in there. Oh, this is so simple. Olive oil, capers,
Right.
and a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper,
Prezzemolo?
and a little bit of vinegar.
The vinegar. makes
Totally
it
different than the
just
others.
Amazing.
So simple. This is Sicilian sushi. It is just a little bit of olive oil, cilantro?
Prezzemolo.
No,
Prezzemolo come si dice, Razzo?
not cilantro. Parsley. And then garlic, a little bit of garlic, but lots of lemon.
Pepper.
Pepper, yes.
Red pepper.
Red pepper, yes.
Pepper.
And lots of lemon. And the lemons make it so that it almost turns white like that. So
And when it's white turns white, it's ready.
yeah, then it's ready. Oh.
Olive. Come sono?
Baked. Baked olives.
Yeah, baked olives? No.
See, those are baked.
Really?
What does it mean, bake it?
In the oven.
Oh, in the oven, baked.
Oh, really?
And then in olive oil.
Yeah.
Baked.
Then, yeah, like my face, you take them out, and then you put oil, garlic, and other things.
Like your face.
Nice. Which one is this one? This one?
This is the marinated.
Okay. And we have that with a little bit of bread
Yeah.
and some olives.